Thank you very much. We can go back and have a short seating. Allow me, especially, let us give them another big hand clap. Thank you so much, our parish priest. Thank you for coming and being here today. Thank you so much. I now call upon the parish priest to give us something, a speech, and then later will please help us to call upon our chief guest of today to also say something. You're most welcome, our parish priest.
I was invited to attend this Easter Carols Association's presentation, but I was not invited to give a speech. My observation is that it's the first time in my last 16 years to see you all together in such a big force. The time you have put into this preparation is worth the production that you are giving us. Thank you very much. Alex, the chairperson of the choir, on a number of occasions approached me to talk about this function. I didn't inquire too much, but I tried to read his mind, and probably it was the mind of the association, that possibly this would have been a presentation at the opening of this church. That's what I understood. But I told him the official opening and the blessing of the church is not yet on. That official opening and opening of the church will be there in about 7 months from now. And possibly by then, everything will have been done. And possibly by then, you will have bought all the pews for the church. So we thank you so much for the time you have put into this preparation. It has been quite intensive. You have offered a lot of time to come and practice, and this cannot be taken for granted, because